Hi kids, welcome to week 9. Sorry I can't be with you in person today, but we've been having a few problems with our internet, so I thought I'd pre-record a video lesson for you to do anytime you like. So, have you got your ukulele? Awesome. Now, is your ukulele in tune? Let's check. We've got a G. You play your G. Does it sound right? And then we've got a C. Does it sound too low or too high? That's when we just very gently maybe ask Mum or Dad to change the tuning. G, C, E. E, E, E. And then we've got A. G, C, E, A. Remember I said to you it sounds like, my dog has fleas. Or, I like to say, my dog eats cheese, because Maggie loves cheese. Awesome. So, we're going to make a start. Make sure you're holding your uke on its side. In your lap, I'm going to hold mine up high so that we can see it. Yours should be in your lap, and it should be slightly lifted up like a seat belt, not too high up, but definitely not facing that way. Okay, and remember you're going to rest it here, and as you strum, keep your wrist nice and relaxed. So let's play our easy, we'll start with something easy, our red C chord. Okay, so here we go. Let's go down, 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 down. Then we're going to go up with our thumb. Up, 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 up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. How did you go? Cool. Now we've got our our F chord, which is yellow. So putting both fingers into the F position. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Let's go back to the C chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then the F chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, if you take your finger off, you've got your A minor chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Shall we try our tricky G chord? G7. Make a triangle with the green stickers. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. How did you go with all those 4 chords? There's C, there was the F chord, there was the A minor chord and the G7 chord. Once you can play all of those, you can play so many songs, which is pretty awesome. Okie dokie, shall we make a start? I think we could start with our El Condor Paso song. Make sure you say it with an Italian accent, okay? We've got to be dramatic because Italians are very dramatic. Okay, starting with our blue A minor chord. Are you ready? Make sure your thumb at the back is sitting on that name sticker that I put there and squeezing like a clamp. We want to see ukulele grooves in your fingers. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down. I'd rather be a sparrow than a snail. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather be a hammer than a nail. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. Let's do the chorus, going to yellow. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives his this world, the saddest sound, the saddest sound. And you can hear that that's that blue A minor chord. Minor chords are sad sounding. Let's do verse 2. Are you ready? Are you singing with me? I'd rather be a forest than a street. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. I'd rather feel the earth beneath my feet. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. Let's do the chorus. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the world its saddest sound, its saddest sound. Let's do another verse. I'd rather be a forest than a street. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. Let's get louder. I'd rather feel the earth beneath my feet. Yes, I would. If I could, I surely would. Chorus. Away, I'd rather sail away like a swan that's here and gone. A man gets tied up to the ground. He gives the world its saddest sound, its saddest sound, its saddest sound. Shall we fade out? Can you get quieter and quieter and quieter? Lovely. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay, are you ready for another song? I thought we could do our newish song, Baby Bumblebee. And it's got the silliest words ever. And I think I might have sent them to you, but I'll post it up again. And you could sing along. It only uses 2 chords. It's got a yellow F chord and a red C chord. That's all you need. So that's nice and easy. Here we go. F, C, F.
I've got a little baby bumblebee. Won't my mummy be so proud of me? I got a little baby bumblebee. Ouch! It bit me. I'm squashing up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mummy be so proud of me? I'm squashing up my baby bumblebee. Ah, yuck! What a mess!
C. F.
I'm licking up my baby bumblebee. Won't my mummy be so proud of me? I'm licking up my baby bumblebee. Oh, I feel sick.
Oh, I think you better stop that.
C. F. Did you buzz along like a bumblebee? Righty hoozles, let's do our next one. We haven't done Clementine in a long time. So this one also uses a yellow F chord and a C chord, so it's nice and easy. And remember, we're going to sing it with a slightly whiny sound. And you could even do an American kind of voice if you wanted to. This is Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. In a cavern, in a canyon, excavating for a mine, dwelt a miner, 49er, and his daughter Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. Oh my darling, oh my darling, oh my darling Clementine, you are lost and gone forever, dreadful sorry Clementine. How did you go changing between the F chord and the C chord? So the trickiest part when you're playing the guitar or the ukulele is getting your fingers to change between chords quickly. And when you can do it quickly, you know that you're starting to become a real true musician. Here's a favourite. We're going to do The Lion Sleeps Tonight. And this is definitely one you could whistle along to for my whistlers in our team. Or you could get someone in your family to sing it along with you as well. So we need the red C chord, we need the yellow F chord, and we need the tricky G7 chord. So this is a good chance for you to practice that one. A wum away, 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 a wum away. And we say the chords: red, 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 yellow, yellow, red, 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 green. And I'll slow down on the green one so that you can get your fingers into that triangle. Away. Jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the quiet jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. A wum away, 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 a wum away. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. How was that? Did that sound awesome? I love that song. It's super fun. Okay, now we're going to practice maybe we'll do Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star today. So you're going to start with the second string down and you're going to do 2 of those, 2 Gs, 2 As, 1 G. So let's do that. C, C, G, G, A, G. Did you get it? Let's try it one more time. C, I'll do it down here so you can see a bit better. C, C, G, G, A, G. Then you're going to get the second one up, You're going to do 2 of those. Whoops, with the finger on. Now you have to have your finger on the green and the yellow sticker. 2 on, 2 off. Try that for me. 2 on. Great. Now we're going to swap to the other middle string, the one closer to your chin. And we're going to go 2 on the one single green sticker. And 1 off. Can you try that for me? Green, green, off. So that's the C string, isn't it? So that goes. I'll do it one more time for you. So let's go back to the beginning and we'll go C, C, G, G, A, G. On, off, on, off. And those notes are F, E, D, C. Shall we do it again and we'll sing to it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. How did that sound? Did you get it? Even if you got some of it, then that's awesome. Okay, lucky last song. We better do Tu Tira Mai. We love that one, don't we? So, again, I'll put the music up on the screen and we'll be singing along. We need our red C chord, our yellow F chord, and then our green tricky G chord, G7. Okay, here we go. Tu tira mai na iwi, tato tato e. Tu tira mai na iwi, tato tato e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e na iwi, ki a tapatahi, ki a kotahira, tato tato e, tato tato e. Let's do it again. I'll call out the colours. Here we go. Toru, fa. Red, 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 red. Yellow, red. Red, 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 red. Yellow, green. Find that tricky G chord. Red, red. Yellow, yellow, red. Red, red, red. Yellow, green. Red, yellow, green, red. Shall we sing it again? Tu tira mai na iwi, tato tato e. Tu tira mai na iwi, tato tato e. Whai a te maramatanga, me te aroha e na iwi, ki a tapatahi, ki a kotahira, tato tato e, tato tato e. Awesome. Well, thanks for joining me today, kids. And hopefully we'll be able to continue on next week and have a fabulous weekend. And make sure you do some practice on your ukuleles. Bye.